Alright, so welcome to the recorded lecture on bank reconciliation. This is for the illustration part. Okay, when you're preparing bank reconciliation, and if, for example, you had prepared it long, or this will be your first time to prepare as an accountant, and there was a previous bank reconciliation made by a previous accountant, so you have to refer to that one first. So in the previous bank reconciliation, in this illustration, we have for July, okay, that is the previous month's bank reconciliation. We have bank as per bank statement, or balance as per bank statement. We have $312.40, and then we have outstanding deposit $119.50. Less unpresented check. Okay, we have to specify the number. That is the check number 1899. So that is 56. So the balance per bank, as per bank account, or cash at bank account, is $375.90. Now, when you got this previous bank reconciliation, you have to cross-check this one with the bank statement, okay, which is provided by the bank at month end. Okay, so as you can see, there are ticks there. It means that this will be considered, or we have to check whether this had appeared in the bank statement for the succeeding month. Okay, so we'll see August bank statement. Alright, in August bank statement, we received this, and we'll try to see whether some of the cash outstanding for deposit is credited to the bank, and then any unpresented checks will be cleared by the bank. Okay, so we have here, this is $119.50, which has already been cleared by the bank in August. Okay, this was the deposit from July recorded in our bank cash at bank account or ledger account, but in bank it only reflected in August. And there was the unpresented check on July, and now it's been cleared by the bank. Now, as you can see here in the bank statement, there are ticks. Okay, the ticks signify that we had already checked with cash receipt journal and cash disbursement or cash payment journal that they had been present there. Okay, so later we'll go on to those journals. Now, if you receive bank statement, there are some legends or abbreviation that you can see, right? So, as per our previous discussion, the debit side on bank statement that pertains to withdrawal or any deductions to the bank account, and credit entries will be for deposits and any other increase in bank balance. Okay. Alright, so I'll show you the next slide. It's actually pertaining to the cash receipts journal. As you can see there, that cash at bank column, there were ticks. Okay, so those ticks, if you cross-check this, for example, $110.60, we'll go back to the previous slide. You can see here, okay, those accounts which had been cleared by the bank. Okay, so most likely they had combined that. Okay, here. So all this had been cleared by the bank except for this one. Okay. So the $219.40 you cannot see here. It's not here. Okay. Okay, so another example here is $310,050. You can see here. Okay, so of course sometimes the deposit can be made combined. So if you go back here, you see this $110.60, and then $195.18. So if you combine this, that will be $305.78. This one. Okay, that's a practice. Collect the money, and then if you deposit at times, you're combining all those deposits. So all those items here had been ticked, so meaning they had been able to trace that to bank statement. Only this one is missing. Okay, $219.40. Okay. Now we'll go on to cash payment journal. Now in cash payment journal, you will look into the check number. These are the check numbers. Okay. So when we check the or we cross-check the check numbers 119 to 124. Okay, so let's go back to the bank statement. Okay, in bank statement, you will see check number 119. This one is the previous one, 1899, 111, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 17, 18, 16 is there, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Now you go check the outstanding or unpresented checks asset. Okay. Supposedly bank statement. The unpresented checks in our reconciliation will be check number 1922, 23, 24, and then 25. By the way, if you can see this, this is in check number 119. We'll return to the previous slide. Okay, 116. Check number 1916. Check number 196. We have $32.80. Now we had found out that this is an error that we committed. So that's why you have an adjustment here. Okay. So we under recorded this check. Supposedly for check number 1916, it should be $32.80, but we recorded it at $31.80. So we have to adjust. So this is the adjustment. Okay. Now, so we had an outstanding deposit of $219.40, and we have this unpresented checks. Okay, so when we perform bank reconciliation, okay, we have opening balance coming from the cash ledger before here. And then cash payment, you can see here in cash receipt, or sorry, cash payment journal. And then cash receipt, you can see in cash receipts journal. Closing balance is $426.49. And then when you perform the bank reconciliation for August, so we have bank statements balance $399.10. Outstanding deposit, we have seen this in cash receipt journal, and then unpresented checks, we'll also determine this in cash payment journal. So the balance as per cash account, cash at bank account, will be $426.49, which is the same here. Alright, thank you for listening to my recorded lecture. Hope you learned something.